Hello there. Today in this tutorial we are going to be looking at how you can set up your Payoneer account so that you can become a universal merchant. You can receive payment and you can also fund your account internationally. So let's see how we can do that. Now the first thing we want to do is to create a Payoneer account. So you register at the platform. So what's the first step? The first step is to go to your browser and type payoneer.com on your browser. So it's going to take you to this page that you are seeing on your screen, and then you click on register down below. Register. So when you do that, it's going to take you to this page where you are going to select what describes you the best. So are you a freelancer, an online seller, an affiliate marketer, vacation renter, host, or individual? So you pick anyone that describes you. So I pick individual, and then it takes me to this place. So for individual, you have only one option when it comes to selecting your need. But for other ones, you can have 3 or 4 options. So just choose the one that describes your need. So in this one, I have freelancer, agency, or service provider. So I will just click on that and then click on register. Okay. So when I am done with that, it's going to take me to this page where I will now have to fill in the forms. Okay, so here I will click on individual. Okay, for those who don't have a business, you can use the individual. But if you have a business, you can go for the company. Since a lot may not have the business, so we go for the individual. So you click on the individual, then you fill in the form below. Your name, your first name, your last name, your email, you also confirm it, and then your date of birth. Then you check in the part that says I'm not a robot, and then you click on next, and then you fill in the other form that appears. And when you are done with all the forms, you are going to be you are going to be given a unique account number that you can now use on Amazon or any other marketplaces of your choice. Okay, so that is how you can create a Payoneer account that you can use for international business and all that. I hope this tutorial is very helpful. If you have not subscribed to my account, kindly hit the subscribe button so that you can have access to tutorials of this nature. See you in the next tutorial.